Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how we can add graphics title in our video in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. All right, now we are inside of the Premiere Pro right now, and to this time we're going to change the workspaces. This time we're going to use the graphics workspace at the top. So just simply hover your mouse at the top, click on graphics. All right, now we are on the graphics workspace in Premiere Pro. So there's a source video, where there's a source monitor here, there's a program monitor here, our timeline is on the lower part, project panels on the left side, and we have the essential graphics at the right side, so that we can simply search for all of the graphics that's available in your computer or in Premiere Pro. So I have downloaded Premiere Pro. I have some graphics available in my Premiere Pro, so let's go ahead and try to add one of them. So just simply drag and drop the graphics on your timeline, and then once you add it, you can position it the way you want it, and you can just edit it. So to edit it, just double click it. It'll show it in source monitor, but in the essential graphics there's the edit option here. All right, so you can change the name for sample. Okay, sample graphics, and we can subtext. We can also change this one for testing. All right, and you can change the line color to whatever color that you want. All right, let's say I want color blue. All right, click on OK. We can also change the master scale from X, all right, or Y. All right, and master position for X, all right, left or right, and for the Y is vertical up and down. All right, so that's the Y. Okay, so to increase it, all right, so that we can increase it, we can adjust the size of this. All right, and we can position it to the middle. All right, by doing the master position. Okay, that looks good. Let's try to play it and see. Sample graphics. All right, as you notice, since the text is white, let's try to put it on the not white background here, so that it will pop up the graphics. Let's try that. All right, sample graphics testing. Perfect. All right, so that's how you add graphics. Okay. All right, so you can adjust this by changing the speed by Command R, or right click for the and click on speed duration, and you can change it. If you want the duration to be exact as the photo, you can change it here. So let's say the photo is 4 seconds, so let's try to make it, drag it to the 4 seconds time, and click on OK. Click on OK. There you go. So it's under 4 seconds. All right, so once you play it, sample graphics testing 4 seconds. It's a little bit faster, but yeah, it's on the 4 seconds mark. Okay, and that's how you add graphics in your timeline. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.